holo. Holo, holo. Holo, holo.
Aloha, I'm Shannon and I've been with Holo Charters since 2002. I actually started in the reservations department and actually moved to different positions in the company, and I am the Human Resources Administrative Manager. We offer great benefits here and I'm so happy to actually be blessed with all of the people around me.
Aloha, I'm Megan. I've worked with Holo Charters for the past 15 years. I started out in reservations and now do all of our social media and content writing and guest relations. I love working here. I live about 5 minutes away up in Hanapepe Heights, love supporting West Side businesses. In addition to that, the integrity that this company has and all that we represent and stand for, I really stand behind 100%.
Hi, I am Hi'ile. I was born and raised here on the West Side, just 2 minutes down the road. I started off in the reservations department. I'm now the office manager. This is my 3rd year here. I'm in charge of bringing in the beautiful retail we have here. I love being able to support local businesses, Kauai made products, and it just really love the life here. It's family to me.
Aloha, I'm Chris. And I've been working with Holo Charters for just over a year and a half now. I work in the maintenance department, and we maintain the Kauai-built vessels here, both the big catamarans and the rafts up on the North Shore. And we take pride in what we do because not only are we maintaining the boats, but we're making sure that they are safe for the passengers, which is a very important reason to make sure that they are maintained well.
How's it going, guys? My name is Kama. I've been working for Holo for 7 years. Born and raised here on the island of Kauai. Some of my favorite things of doing on the boat is going out to Niihau, getting to snorkel out there, seeing the wildlife, the dolphins, turtles, seals, sometimes occasional whale sharks. You never really know what you're going to get when you're out here. Well, we welcome you to join our team. Hopefully we get you guys out here, see the Npaali Coast, and have a good time while doing it.
Aloha, this is Captain Wendell. I've been doing it for 20 years out here on Kauai, sharing Npaali Coast, Niihau, all the marine life. Every day is a good day on the ocean.
Holo, holo. Holo, holo. Holo, holo.